What's up guys, this is Praise for Mixed Loaded. Welcome to this tutorial. This is a channel where we post videos on things you could do with your phone and also earn from them. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to get notified every time we post new videos. So without wasting more of your time, let's get right into this tutorial. Yeah, so what's up guys, I'm here today with another tutorial on how you can earn passively by doing tasks. And before we start this tutorial, I'd like to tell you that tutorials and tips that I give are meant for passive incomes. It's not a get rich quick scheme or something that make you rich in a matter of weeks or days. So if you do this like consistently, like a month, you should earn something reasonable. So let's note that the Telegram bot I also dropped. If you are persistent on it, you should have made. I've dropped it for like a month now. You should have made up to 1 Bitcoin, depending on the bot you choose. So passive income doesn't mean you get rich quick. It's just to just have it like, okay, you have your business that you're doing, or you have your job that you're doing. Then those are what you just do online to survive yourself to the end of the month where you receive your salary or whatever pay you are getting. So this one, we'll be using a website called eVerve. So this is EVRVE. So yes, EVERVE.net. So I'll be logging in now. You can see sign in with Google. So this ones you don't need a password or whatever for it. Just sign in with your Google account. I click sign in with Google. So I'll be using my personal account so I can show you some few things. I'll be logging in with my personal account. So I've used this account and I'm very sure that it's legit. I don't give fake or something I've not tried out myself. So I'll be logging in with my account now so you can see how it works. So it's my dashboard. So now you can see welcome to your dashboard. So you can read all of this. So now my current fund there is $0.0250. So now when I scroll down, you can see I don't really use this, but I use it I will explain that later. So you can see actions made by me today. I've not made any action today. Action made by me in total, like the overall actions that I've made, like the tasks that I've done, that's 9. So received action from others today, 0. So you can now see received action from others, that's 3,292. So what this means is that the tasks will be doing majorly here. You can see when you click the icon here, then you can see perform tasks here. Then you can see perform tasks. Then you can see different kind of things that you will be doing. You can traffic exchange, visit sites, Twitter follow Twitter accounts, Twitter like like Twitter like tweets on Twitter retweet Twitter tweets, Telegram channel, you subscribe to Telegram channels, TikTok like you like on TikTok, YouTube views like that. So those are the tasks you'll be doing. So now this 3,000 actions that you see that I've received from others is because I made an order. I added because I needed followers on a particular account. So I added my card. Then you can see I spent $6, 5,840 kobo on adverts. So I placed an advert on for people to follow my Instagram account. So when I include the money, then I now place the task, which is also here. You can see you have your dashboard here. You can add fund. That's where I add fund with my card. Insert my card and that again. Add new campaign. You can see my campaigns. I've deleted all the campaigns I've done. The campaigns that I did was an Instagram follow. So if you want to perform tasks to earn, you just come to this place. Click on. So let's go to other ones. Let's see Twitter retweets or YouTube likes. Let's do YouTube likes. So this video, just click plus button and click on like video, then it should direct us to the YouTube video. then you click the like button. You don't need to watch the video. Once it's liked, then you go back. You can see for liking this video, you earn this amount 0.0010. That's 10 cents. Then you can click on next, do another task. Like the video. Why this is working better? YouTube is working better because people feel like, okay, YouTube takes more data. So instead of let's do, once I take it, actually take data and others. So that's why, because there are lots of people working every day, every minute. So once I click on like, but they don't need to watch the video. So you can see this is under crediting. So you can see now that my point is 270. So keep on doing like that. If you are done with this, if this is done, you can go to that task and see if there's any other task you can do. TikTok likes, YouTube views might take more of your data, so you can just, or you can also do it because it's just for a few seconds. You can do other channels, Telegram channels, you join different channels. You add new campaign, you can see Instagram follows, Instagram like that, comment. So whichever you want to do, you just select, introduce your details. If it's for Instagram follows, you can see Instagram, you just copy your profile link, it automatically shows your email, your profile picture, your name and your bio down here. So then you can edit this to, you can see the minimum award amount is 20 cents and the maximum is 100. So if you want to increase it, you can increase it to like that. Then you can add which daily actions, like how many actions you want to get per day. If it's 2, if it's 1, like you just want to follow you per day, you can add it there. Or if you also don't want to do perform tags, but you need to add campaign, you can come here, add funds. I've done this multiple times, so you don't need to be afraid of anything. Just make sure your card accepts, is able to pay to other countries. So if you just select via pay via Visa / Mastercard, if you want to have other payments too, so you select how many dollars you are paying. So you can see, like I showed you before, I've done advert of $6 on my dashboard. You can see that I spent on this platform. So that's how it works. If you do this continuously, you can, in a day, if you do it continuously in a day, you can earn up to $1, and in 30 days that's $30. And when you're supposed to multiply that, it's more than some people's salary. So that's what I mean by passive income. So you do it continuously, because most passive income gets boring and people just give up or just quit it. So you can see I've done 3 actions today. Action made by me today, you can see it has updated. In total it was 9 before, 9 is 12. So you can see, so that's how it works. So if you like the video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. And if you have any question, you can check my WhatsApp link in the description to message me or ask any question on whatever you need. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.